Right, YouTube, I've got one hell of a problem with this car. I don't know where to start with it really. I'll tell you what I have done so far is I've replaced the crankcase ventilation valve along with all the breather pipes. I've also changed the crankshaft position sensor, be it for an aftermarket one, even though it is a branded one, which is a Mayle, M-E-Y-L-E. I'm still getting the same faults as what I'm normally getting, which is if my memory serves me rightly, a P0339 error, which is timing position A over advanced, and I've forgotten the other one now. Brain's gone dead. Anyway, yeah, so I'm showing up. Initially I was getting camshaft position sensor fault and also the crankshaft position fault along with an O2 sensor problem. Now I think I've had the O2 sensor problem for quite a bit now. I think that's down to a blow on the exhaust, or maybe the O2 sensor is actually leaking. I've yet to investigate that. But anyway, getting to the point. So here I am now. The engine is warm. Normally I don't get the fault when the engine's cold. She drives quite a lot better now since I've done the crankcase ventilation, because I had oil leaks all over the engine. It's since been washed off, and like I said, I have changed the crank position sensor, and I've also fitted 2 brand new camshaft position sensors which were genuine BMW one. I'd like to thank Dick Lovett for charging me 110 quid a piece for that. So thanks for that. 220 quid for 2 epoxy sensors, which must have cost about, I don't know, probably about a tenner each to make. So anyway, so yeah, that's that. But anyway, the fault. You can see that I've got the middle DSC light on. That is intermittent. That keeps doing that. I don't think that's related to this fault that I'm getting now. Initially, this fault began while going along the motorway, doing around about 60-70 mile an hour, and all of a sudden the car decided to give a quick lurch, rev counter bounced, battery light flashed on very quickly, and then she then jumped into Limp Mode and wouldn't go above 65 mile an hour. 3 grand on the rev counter there. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration now of what the car is actually doing, and hopefully somebody out there can point me in the right direction, because I'm really at a loss with it. I've scanned it with an ELM 327 ODB data 2 scanner through the Android app, and that's how I found out the fault codes. I'm currently connected up via IMPA on my laptop. As you can see there, it's picking the car up. I think there's a problem with the lead though, because I had this set, I had pins bridged on the OBD2 data cable, which you can see down there, which is just plugged in. Excuse the darkness. There he is, just plugged in there. So the current situation is I think I need to desolder pins 7 and 8 on that, because that was originally for an older model E46, a 51 plate. 2001 model, whereas this one I'm in now is a 2005 model facelift. So right, I'm just going to show you quickly what the car does when I rev it. Bearing in mind, like I said, this is where with the temperature gauge on that particular reading there. So I'm going to give the camera a bit of position even. So now I'm going to rev it. There you go. Battery light flicks on, rev counter bounces, and then all of a sudden we now have, I know for a fact now it's gone to Limp Mode because of the speed of the tick over. So obviously I'm guessing it could be something to do with a Vanos, 2 Vanos solenoids at the front, or it could be the actual main Vanos solenoid, which is located on the side of the engine by the other sensor there. Yeah, so anyway, have to excuse me, it's New Year's Day here and I'm feeling a bit worse for wear. Right, okay, so there we go. So any help or anybody that's come across this problem, if you could let me know please, I would really appreciate it. So yeah, One further thing, the car, as you can see, is a manual. And that's about it really. That's about all I've got now. 5-minute video, I think that'll do. So with any luck, someone will get back to me on this. Any help will be appreciated. Thank you very much indeed. Take care then. See you later. Bye.